my ear. The next thing you know, the bartender's pouring, shots are flowing, got me stoned, and all I really know is that I should be going, but I'm soaking up the moment. I'm all jacked up, all jacked up. Don't believe I've ever had this much. One thing I've learned: when you get tore up, time sure flies when you're all jacked up. It was getting mighty close to 9 o'clock. What the hell, I have one more shot. Then I winked at a boy at the end of the bar. Guess I must have gone a little too far, 'cause a big old girl walked out of the blue, 10'2" with a bad attitude, stepped right up and knocked out my tooth. I guess I had it coming, I deserved it too, 'cause I was all jacked up, all jacked up. Don't believe I've ever had this much. One thing I learned: when you get tore up, don't start no stuff when you're all jacked up. You can't stay here, that's what they said when I got my last beer. Oh my God, it's 2 o'clock. I can't find my keys and my truck's locked. So I grabbed a tire tool and I broke my window, hurt my elbow, got me in no 2 foot later, backed into the light pole. All the town folk